Now how we can find the value of mu in terms of theta? In terms of theta, that you can see here, look, this diagram I am drawing once again. Okay, so here write down the heading, relation between theta and mu. Theta is input angle, mu is transmission angle. Okay, so now look, let's say this is the 4-bar mechanism. Okay, this is 4-bar mechanism, and here this side is A, this is D, this is B, this is C. Okay, I am assuming that this distance is K. This distance is K. Let's say A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Look in the triangle. Look in the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, ऐसे imagine करो, let's say this is force F1, this is force F2. Two forces are there and K is the resultant. So if I assume K from here to here, it will be A minus D. Or if I will assume K like this, then it will be this force minus this force. Actually, this is difference of two forces. Yes or no? So how we can write the resultant of value of the resultant? Resultant force is K like this, and angle between them is theta. So remember our parallelogram method. In that I have told you how to add the forces, and I also told you how to subtract the forces by the minus sign. Okay, so here we will take only minus, जैसे f1 square plus f2 square minus 2f1 f2 cos theta. So from this triangle, resultant square will be equal to a square means f1 square f2 square minus 2f1 f2 cos theta. Clear? 2f1 f2 cos theta. So this is the difference of the forces. Then consider triangle BCD. In triangle BCD again K is the common, so K will be equal to, let's say this is one force, this is second force, and the angle between them is mu. Angle between them is mu. So K will be equal to f1 square plus f2 square minus 2f1 f2 cos mu. बनेगा कि नहीं? So simply two equations are there. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, what you can write? Both K square will be equal, so this will be equal to this 2bc cos mu. होगा a square plus d square minus 2ad cos theta, b square c square minus 2bc cos mu. होगा. Now simply you can take all these terms on same side. A square like this. Now mu is our output angle and theta is our input angle. So we want to check the variation of mu with respect to theta. Okay, so when mu will be maximum and when mu will be minimum, so we will simply differentiate it. For maximum value and minimum value of the transmission angle, we will do what? D mu by d theta equal to 0 we have to put. ऐसे लिख दो, with respect to theta, d mu by d theta we have to put 0. Now how to get this? You will differentiate this equation. Okay, so with respect to theta, so this will be 0, 0, this will get differentiate. Yes or no? So So 0 plus 0 plus 2AD cos theta will become sin theta, and theta will become your d theta by d theta 1, okay, into 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 2BC cos mu will become sin mu, and mu का आप करेंगे d mu by d theta. Yes or no? So this will be the value. Now arrange these terms. So 2BC sin mu into d mu by d theta will be equal to 2AD sin theta. Yes or no? 2 cancel. So here d mu by d theta, this will be equal to AD sin theta upon BC sin mu. AD sin theta upon BC sin mu. Okay. So this we have to put 0. We have to put 0 like this. Okay. Or we could do some simply like this. इसको बाद में लिखें. Now you will not get confused. Confusion तो उधर भी नहीं है. Differentiate with respect to theta. ये क्यों किया वो मैंने आपको बता दिया. Okay. So here you got this value. Now for the maxima and minima you have to differentiate this and put it equal to 0. So from here AD sin theta over BC sin mu will be equal to 0. So from here sin theta will be equal to 0. So from here theta will be either 0 or 180. 0 or 180. Okay. Means transmission angle will be minimum or maximum at theta equal to 0 or 180. बात समझ आई कि नहीं आई? 0 or 180. This you can feel here. Look, let's say this is the 4 bar mechanism. ये आपका 4 bar mechanism है. Okay, simply this is 4 bar mechanism, and this is your angle theta. This is your transmission angle mu. Okay, this is simply gamma. Okay, this is crank, coupler, and the output link. Okay, or rocker or lever, whatever it is. Now here if I rotate this like this, then it will also rotate and become like this. Okay, can you feel it? So I am changing the angle and making the theta first, let's say 180 degree. So when theta I will make 180 degree like this, the transmission angle is increasing like this. Yes or no? Here the value of transmission angle is less, but here the value is more. Okay. So here the value of transmission angle will be maximum at theta equals to 180 degree. Can you see it? Yes. And if I make theta equal to 0, if I rotate it in opposite direction like this, and theta is 0 here, let's say, at this position the value of transmission angle will be minimum. Yes or no? Value of transmission angle will be minimum at theta equal to 0. Yes or no? So these are the two conditions. at theta 0 mu will be minimum, at theta 180 mu will be maximum. So now we know that maximum and minimum value of transmission angle we have to put theta equal to 0 and theta equal to 180. सभी को क्लियर हुआ यहाँ तक? जय हिंद लिख दो फटाफट, राइट डाउन जय हिंद.